Okay, day 2, the adventures of Ryder and Mr. Self. The next day, when the teachers arrived, Ryder was toting out the very last pair of scissors to the hobo roof dweller's trash can, which was on the ground. They had their very large trash can near the front of the school, so that their presence would not be blocked by the very large object, which had the word W-I-S-E spelled out on its side. Not because the hobos were wise, well, they were, but WISE stood for Without I, Self Explodes, one of Mr. Self's final projects here on this earth, and still very much a secret at that time. "Ryder, why are you throwing all the scissors away?" the teachers asked. "Mr. Self and I realized last night that the natural enemy to ribbons are scissors, so we got here early this morning to make the school safe for red ribbons everywhere." "Ryder, Mr. Self isn't real, but our collective anger and rage is, especially since we only get $5 from the state each year to buy things for the classroom. Red Ribbon Week is about drug awareness, not scissors." "Excuse me, ma'ams," and one young lad, an old man driving by in a pickup truck and headed for his morning coffee and sausage and biscuit at Jack's, said, "I can't help but notice that those are some crazy socks there." "Mr. Self told me that today was Crazy Sock Day." "Ryder," his teachers interjected, "we told you it was Crazy Sock Day." "Well, pardon me for asking," the old man said, "but what's socks got to do with anything?" "Oh, it's Red Ribbon Week," the teachers replied. Ryder and the old man shared a look. The look of, these women are crazy if they think crazy socks have anything to do with ribbons. The old man continued to Jack's, and because he had stopped to admire Ryder's socks, he was not the 999th customer ever served, small town, but in fact the 1000th. He got a souvenir cup, which he donated to Ryder, who donated it to the school, which used it as a collection bin for loose change, the money raised from which sent a kid all the way to Montevallo on a field trip.